Day 2, time to wake up the neighborhood. Day 2 of our road trip, we are Centralia bound to start the day.
Yeah.
Basically what it is, it's an old mining town where they had a coal fire underground and now it's been burning for like 60 years. So
And there's a cool graffiti highway, so.
Cool graffiti highway, here we come. We got the obligatory sheet stop here. Got the car out and just fueling up on our way. I don't understand this at all. First of all, we have 88 octane. That's cheaper than 87 octane. Like that doesn't make sense to me. We filled up with 93. But then they have knockoff E85. It's called Flex Fuel. It's 51 to 83% ethanol. So you really don't know what you're getting. We stayed away from that. We're just using this today. All right, well, Sam and I are out here. Just put the drone up for a minute. I'm not sure if you can tell, but the whole highway is literally covered in graffiti. It's pretty cool. And as far as I can tell from the drone, the highway goes way down there, and the whole thing seems to be covered.
It's a few mile stretch all the way down there.
So people must have been just doing this for years. Imagine being the first person to graffiti the highway. Alright, well Sam and I have made it out to the middle of nowhere, somewhere in rural Pennsylvania, but State Route 125 is up that way, and it's also down that way. So on our way to Pittsburgh, I figured we gotta do 125. It's one of the best driving roads in Pennsylvania, so the old girl's gonna get her first workout of the day.
So sick.
Two hours later. God damn. That was an unbelievable section of road. Alright, well, that was quite the section of road. Sam and I are very impressed. We thought that was going to be like a 5-minute detour. With the way that I mapped it, we went much further than that. But now we're going to Raystown Lake, not Rainstown, like I've been saying before. The car is hot. I mean, it's still at temperature. It's not overheating, but the fan's kicked on. And it's not that hot out either. It's like 73. I think it's probably perfect weather to be doing this because it's warm enough for the tires to be sticky, but cool enough for the car not to get crazy hot. We got 2 hours and 24 minutes. Wheels up to wheels down to Rainstown Lake. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. I'm your Captain Eli, and we will catch you at Rainstown. Wow. Here's the thing we don't get in Massachusetts. We got red rocks on the bottom. This water is perfect. Alright, with Sam and I are definitely going swimming at some point. This video gets 7 likes. I'll do the CS4. God damn. Sheets number 3 of the day. We're winning. We're on our way to Teddy's, so here we go. Alright, well the S4 made it to Pittsburgh. Now Teddy is very kindly taking us to dinner. Also, if you don't know Teddy, his YouTube channel is linked up there. Go check it out because he has a GTI. So he's carrying on in the GTI legacy that I no longer have. Just sitting here talking drift car things. Teddy's got the GTI inside already clean, and he's kind enough to let me clean the S4 as well because, well, we've just straight up massacred some bugs. There's that. There's a couple out here on my freshly sealed windshield. And then, of course, we have the front end damage all in here. So let's get rid of that. Now we're gonna go for a tunnel run in Teddy's Mark 7 because we're hood rats and we're doing hood rat things. Yeah. Like I said before, we're going for a ride in Teddy's Mark 7, and if you want to know what mods are done to it, you can go over to his channel. Instead of leaving a comment here, just go check his channel out. He has videos on all his mods. That makes the most sense. Alright, so my camera died last night, but that was Teddy's Mark 7 through the tunnels. Again, if you want to know the mods on it, make sure to check this man's channel out. He hosted us, and it's been awesome. So, thank you. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will be traveling for the next 8 or so days. Thank you guys for watching. Go out there and spread some positivity, and I will catch you guys in the next video.